There you go. See how well this records.
We're on a forest trail now to go see a pony at the end of a pier. We've never been on this trail before. It's all uncharted territory for us.
That's coming out quite clear, isn't it?
It appears to be so, yes. Definitely. This kind of reminds me of down in South Carolina. We
Yep.
did some of those trails at the Brook Green Gardens. We won't see any alligators today, though. Not on this journey.
We should go back there. See the alligators.
For sure. Oh, there's the marsh there.
Yeah, this is pretty wheelchair accessible, isn't it?
Yeah. Sheltered environment. Oh, they have the northern flick. Ooh, wolf spiders. Yikes.
We don't want any of those.
Deer, brown-headed nuthatches. Freshwater oasis.
Oh, see, they do have fresh water. That's what I was asking the driver earlier.
The captain of the boat.
See, yeah, fresh
Naturally
water.
occurring freshwater ponds exist throughout the island. Shallow depressions in the ground also collect rainwater. These are crucial. Freshwater, saltwater aquifer.
So that's what I was asking earlier, if the horses had any access to fresh water. Apparently, there's a freshwater pond.
Yeah. Looky there.
Friendly, friendly people. I like the trees.
Reminds me of Maine, all the evergreens.
Oh yes, I can see that.
Guys, get out there. Life's one big adventure. Go visit a national park. Go outside and do some earthing or grounding. Put your toes in the grass and drink a glass of water.
I prefer a beer, but yeah, a glass of water. Yes, drink glasses of water. See, beer is plant friendly if you think about it. It's made from corn or wheat, you know.
It was made from hops.
It's made for hops.
Whoa,
See?
how long is this? Wow.
Going up. Can't really show you the elevation change. Cool marshland though.
Reminds me of in San Diego. The
Wild Animal Park.
zoo. Wild Animal Park.
Sorry about the wind. I'm trying to cover the microphone up.
Pony is to the left.
Pony's to the left.
On lead.
Yep. No, there's only one way.
No, there's two left.
Well, yeah, I think it's that way. How we doing?
Hello.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, you can see the, are there the paragliders over there now?
Yeah, I can barely make them out on camera. Have to zoom way in.
A red one and a green one.
It's cool seeing the marshland though.
Oh, yes.
Hey, you can see the sunset from this point, couldn't you?
Yeah.
It's facing the right direction. Oh, they found a horse. Or was it a pony? There he is. Head just popped up. Let's get some good video, Crystal. won't be on his own. Well, the wind is really picking up. Hard to stabilise the camera that zoomed in.